The meniscus is a piece of cartilage lining in our knee joint. The meniscus is important because our leg bone and thigh bone don't work without the meniscus in place. And the meniscus tear or injury happens quite frequently in our society. And once there's a tear, the meniscus oftentimes is removed, surgically removed, and there's a much greater chance of getting arthritis without a meniscus. So what we did was take the MRI scans of a sheep meniscus, and with these MRI scans, we could synthesize a 3D printed meniscus scaffold, and this could be made exactly as the shape and dimensions of the meniscus that needs to be replaced. And then we delivered 2 proteins to stimulate the body's internal stem cells to regenerate the meniscus. Next, what we did was we partnered with Dr. Scott Rodio from Hospital for Special Surgery, Dr. Lisa Fortier from Cornell University. So the 3 teams got together and put that scaffold with the 2 proteins inside the sheep meniscus that was replaced. And the sheep, after they received this 3D meniscus scaffold with the 2 proteins delivered in sequence, and finally regenerated meniscus. So within about 6 weeks or so, on average, the sheep were able to undergo weight bearing and locomotion just as a normal sheep.